want to look your best. And whenever you have any imperfection, you're quick to blame it on aging or stress. But really, that's not all the signs that something is wrong with your body.
What if just 10 minutes could shift your mindset and transform how you feel about your body? In just 10 minutes, you can reframe your perspective, boost your confidence, and start seeing your body in a whole new light. Let's watch the 10 minutes that will change how you see your body and unlock the power of self-love. But before starting, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on videos like this. First, know the sciatic nerve, the body's powerhouse. Have you ever felt pain shoot down your leg from your lower back into your calf? That's your sciatic nerve making its presence known. As the largest nerve in the human body, the sciatic nerve is responsible for controlling muscles in the lower leg and providing sensation to the skin on your back and the outer part of your leg. Imagine how important this nerve is when you walk, run, or simply stand. Why should you care? The sciatic nerve can become compressed, leading to painful conditions like sciatica. By understanding its path through the body and how it's influenced by everyday actions like sitting for too long or bending incorrectly, you can reduce the risk of sciatica and improve your overall leg strength. Secondly, the brachial plexus, a nerve network that powers your arms, moving up your body. Let's talk about the brachial plexus, the nerve network that controls the movements and sensations in your arm. This intricate system of nerves starts at your neck and travels down into your upper limb, branching out to control muscles like your biceps, triceps, and even your chest muscles. Can you imagine? A pinched nerve in this area can result in weakness or even paralysis in your arm. This could drastically affect your ability to perform even the simplest daily tasks like picking up a cup of coffee or lifting a bag. Understanding this network's function can help you prevent injury and maintain proper posture, which in turn promotes better overall health and functionality. Thirdly, femoral anatomy, muscles and connective tissues in the thigh. Have you ever wondered why it's so hard to keep your thigh muscles strong and flexible? It's because of the complicated interplay between muscles, connective tissues, and nerves in your thigh. The femur, the longest bone in your body, houses muscles like the quadriceps and hamstrings, but it's the connective tissue, like the fascia and epimysium, that help maintain the integrity and movement of your thigh. What happens when these structures fail? A strain or injury to these muscles can impact your ability to walk or stand for long periods. Tightness in the fascia or epimysium can also limit the effectiveness of your workouts, causing discomfort and potentially leading to injury. Maintaining flexibility in these areas can help you avoid painful situations, keeping you mobile and strong for years to come. Fourthly, femoral nerve compression, how it affects your movements. Have you ever experienced difficulty in extending your knee after a long workout or sports activity? This could be a result of femoral nerve compression. This crucial nerve controls the muscles in the front of your thigh, including the quadriceps, which are responsible for knee extension. What if this nerve gets compressed? If the femoral nerve becomes pinched, it can lead to muscle weakness, especially in the quads. This means simple movements like standing up from a chair or walking upstairs become a challenge. Understanding the risks of nerve compression can help you take preventive steps to maintain good posture and avoid repetitive strain that could lead to nerve damage. Now know the power of the hamstrings. Understanding their role in motion. The hamstrings, we all know them, but how much do we really understand about them? This group of 3 muscles at the back of your thigh is vital for both knee flexion and hip extension, enabling movements like running, jumping, and squatting. Did you know? A tight or overworked hamstring can lead to strain or injury, limiting your flexibility and mobility. If you're not paying attention to the health of your hamstrings, you could face difficulty in activities that require explosive leg strength. By understanding how to properly stretch and strengthen these muscles, you can prevent injuries and keep your lower body in peak condition. Sixthly, the fibularis muscles and ankle sprains. What you need to know: have you ever rolled your ankle while walking or running? You may have overstretched or damaged the ligaments in your ankle. But what about the muscles around your fibula, the fibularis? These muscles help elevate your foot, meaning they play a role in stabilizing your ankle. What happens if you injure these muscles? When you twist or roll your ankle, the fibularis muscles can become overstretched, causing pain and limited movement. It's crucial to understand how these muscles function, as injuries to them can cause long-term problems if not properly addressed. Through strengthening exercises and proper care, you can keep your fibularis muscles strong and reduce your risk of injury. Seventhly, the biceps. What happens when they're paralyzed? Imagine not being able to bend your elbow properly. Sounds terrible, right? That's what happens when the musculoskeletal nerve, which controls your biceps, gets compressed. This can result in biceps paralysis, making it incredibly difficult to perform simple tasks like lifting or carrying things. What's the cause? Overtraining, inflammation, or improper posture can cause the muscles around the biceps to compress this crucial nerve. By understanding the anatomy of the arm and the importance of maintaining nerve health, you can take proactive steps to prevent this condition and ensure your arm functions at its best. Now the pectoralis major, the muscle behind your upper body strength. The pectoralis major, a large muscle located in the chest, plays a key role in shoulder movements including flexion and adduction. This muscle is targeted in exercises like push-ups and bench presses, helping to build upper body strength. Why is it important to understand? Knowing the function of the pectoralis major allows you to choose the right exercises for strengthening it. The well-developed pectoral muscle not only improves your posture and performance in physical activities, but also reduces the risk of shoulder injuries. By understanding how it works, you can enhance your workouts and promote better overall muscle balance. Now see the trapezius, strengthening the neck and shoulders. Have you ever noticed how tight your shoulders can get after a stressful day? That's because of the trapezius muscle, which spans from the back of your neck to the middle of your back. It plays a crucial role in stabilizing your shoulder blades and controlling movements like shrugging. What happens when the trapezius is weak? Poor posture and stress can lead to tension in the traps, causing neck pain and discomfort. Strengthening this muscle not only helps reduce pain, but also improves your posture and overall neck stability. Understanding the role of the trapezius can empower you to take better care of your upper body, preventing pain and discomfort from becoming a regular part of your life. Lastly, the epiglottis, the body's safety mechanism. The epiglottis might not be something you think about often, but it's a crucial part of your body's function. This flap of tissue closes off your windpipe when you swallow food or liquid, preventing it from entering your lungs and causing choking. How does it work? The epiglottis is a highly efficient, elastic cartilage that elevates when you swallow, sealing off the respiratory passage to ensure that food travels down your esophagus instead. Understanding this small but vital structure can make you more aware of how your body protects itself during everyday tasks, from eating to speaking. Your body is more amazing than you think. In just 10 minutes, we've only scratched the surface of the fascinating and intricate systems that make up your body. From your muscles and nerves to your connective tissues and protective mechanisms, every part of you plays an important role in how you move, feel, and function each day. So, what do you think? Could you imagine how these fascinating insights into your own body can completely change the way you view your physical health and well-being? From understanding how nerves and muscles work together to discovering hidden aspects of your anatomy, these revelations can be a game changer. Which fact did you find the most surprising? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to watch more revelations about your body.